Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see some commands to monitor the system. Let's say the RAM memory, the CPU, all the processes in the system, as well as the file system. Let's start with a basic command called free. Free, it will tell me the current state of the RAM memory in the machine. Let me use the flag G. So here it tells me that it has 3 gigabytes of total memory. 1 gigabyte is used. It has some in buffer and cache, and also we have a swap memory of 3 gigabytes as well. This is very useful to monitor the current state of the RAM memory because some applications usually consumes a lot of this resource, so it's a good practice to keep it in monitor, to keep an eye on it. But also it's very important to monitor the hard drive usage. For this one, we can use df. It's a very basic command as well. I like to use the flags HP to print in a better understandable way. As you can see, I have some temporary file systems for the operating system itself, and also I have a disk called SDA3. It has only 5 megabytes, and I have a mapper for a CentOS root, which is the main file system that I have in the system with 40 gigs. So this command is also very useful to monitor, and you can create some scripts. I'll show you in next videos how to do it. But you can use these kind of commands to monitor the health of your systems and uh, write some alerts to you so you can act from it. Another useful command is to check the disk usage per files. I'm on /etc directory. As you can see, it just lists me all the content, all the content files from this path, and it also printing the size from them. Is As you can see, I use the flags S and H, H for human readable format, S for summary. So we can see in kilobytes, megabytes. Here is one for megabytes. If we have a big file for gigabytes, it will print a G letter right next to the value. This is very useful as well. And I'll show you how to monitor, well, how to print all the processes on the system. Let's say I just want to print some idle process as well. You can see these are all the processes on my system that are executing at the moment. So this command is also very useful to search, to troubleshoot issues on the system. This is also used along with top, which is let's say a real-time monitor because it is refreshing every second with some statistics, very useful as well. Here is the RAM memory in kilobytes. Here is the swap memory that I showed you before. and we have all the processes running at the moment and changing according to the CPU usage and its memory. If we press the number 1 in the keyboard, we can see the CPU. The CPU listed here. I have 4 CPUs in my machine. So it prints the current usage for it. We can see the user space is using, well, at this moment 21%. The system and another sections like the idle processes is in waiting. Uh, well, we can see listed here the zombie processes as well. I'll show you how to identify and clean those zombie process in later videos as well. These 5 commands are very useful for monitoring the systems. Okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel to receive more videos about Linux, DevOps, and also please suggest another topics if you want to discuss about it. Stay tuned. Thanks.